Hi guys, so today I'm going to make some snacks by using our overripe bananas. So we have 6 bananas, egg roll wrapper, brown sugar, and water to seal our banana egg rolls. So let's begin. So first thing first, we're gonna peel our banana. I'm just gonna show you how exactly how I do it, my banana egg rolls. Okay, so we're gonna cut half and then cut half again, just like that. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to get our egg roll wrapper. Okay, so we're gonna put our banana face down. Then you add some brown sugar. Roll. So this is how I make my banana egg rolls or turon. There we go, guys. Okay, so we're gonna make all of this and then we're going to freeze it. The some of it I'm going to fry. So you have to deep fry. Okay, so if you're on diet, this is not gonna be a very good snack for you, but I'm making this for my grandchildren, so this is one of their favorite snack. So that's for you guys. There we go. Roll. Put some water just to seal it. Okay, as you can see. Now, if you want to be like so perfect, it's up to you. But that's how I roll it. It's quick and easy and delicious. Okay, so we're done rolling our banana egg rolls. So we made 25. So I'm gonna cook some for our snack. And I think I'm gonna make some too for my grandkids. But this is how easy to make, guys. So don't throw your overripe banana, because you can make that as your snacks that our family will enjoy. My entire family love this fried banana egg rolls. We call this in the Philippines banana turon. Okay. Okay, guys. So we're going to fry this. Okay, so we're gonna start deep frying. Okay. So I'm going. It's really important, guys, that you're gonna cook this in a medium heat to begin to burn our wrapper and then uncook inside. So make sure that your heat is medium. Okay. And then you're gonna cook this until turn golden brown, as you can see. This is my family's favorite snacks or after meal. So stay tuned. As you can see, guys, it's golden brown, so this is ready to go. You need to remove it, get it out. And then in my plate, I put some paper towel, so that way the oil will absorb to the paper towel. Okay. So I decided to cook all of this, guys, so I can deliver this to my grandchildren. I'm gonna cook all of this. I'm going to stop by in their house, surprise, bringing their favorite snacks.